Trash and waste management has been a significant issue that humans could not resolve efficiently, even in these modern eras. Statistics have shown that Malaysia generates 38,000 tons of trash per day, with Selangor being the highest state contributing to the number of trash in Malaysia in 2022. The amount of trash generated in a week stacked on each other could reach as high as Malaysia's second tallest skyscraper, the Petronas Twin Tower, KLCC, with a staggering height of 451.9 meters. And this number of trash is set to keep on rising by 7% each year. Space is vast, and surely there's got to be extra room for our trash to be deposited into the space, right? And what if I said that a small item like this paint chip would be lethal in space? The main problem we would face in sending our trash into space is the operational cost, the risk involved, and the crowded space area. The cost of launching a probe to space is around 98,000 Malaysian ringgit per kilogram. The trash of 38,000 tons Malaysia produces in a day would cost approximately 3 trillion Malaysian ringgit. This situation would put Malaysia in a colossal debt, as our economy GDP as of 2020 only makes up around 1 trillion Malaysian ringgit. What goes up must come down. This phrase explains exactly the second problem of launching trash into space. When launching a rocket, there is a chance of failure every launch. We might risk getting bombarded with garbage, or even worse, radioactive waste if there is a failure in the rocket mission. It reminds us how dinosaurs became extinct in the first place. The third problem relates to our currently crowded space area with space debris around the Earth. Space debris is comprised of natural meteoroids, non-functional spacecraft, satellite fragments, and many more caused by human space exploration. NASA stated that in 2021, there are already 23,000 pieces of debris larger than a softball, 500,000 pieces the size of a marble or larger, and 100 million pieces of debris the size of 1 millimeter. What makes this space debris a problem is that when in space, space debris can go as fast as 20 times the speed of a bullet. Even small items such as a paint chip crack the International Space Station's ISS window. Collision of space debris can soon cause Kessler syndrome, which is a chain reaction between space debris that further accelerates the crowding in space near the Earth. This situation would surely disrupt human progress in digitalizing the world, as the satellite or even the International Space Station ISS in space kept getting bombarded by space debris. No satellite means no GPS, no ATM, no long-distance call or high-speed internet service, and even worse, we could no longer predict natural disaster about to happen by observing cloud formation, earth or water movement from space. Nevertheless, all hope is not lost, as companies have developed multiple technologies to curb the space debris problem, such as claw capture, magnetic capture, laser broom, and harpoon and net. The United States government orbital debris mitigation standard and practices also outline that an end-of-service satellite is required to re-enter the atmosphere, maneuver to storage orbit, or retrieve directly from space. Sending trash into space is undoubtedly not the answer to helping us deal with the trash problem on Earth. All we can do now is use the good old trick in the book: reuse, reduce, and recycle.